Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ankit Bhatnagar and I'm at Honda Big Wing Gurgaon and आज मैं यहाँ पर आया हूँ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल चीज़ के लिए and जो कि है Honda CB350 RS. The bike got launched yesterday and today I am at the Big Wing showroom just to give you a walk around video and probably next video should be about comparison about Honda CB350 and CB350 RS. चलो शुरू करते हैं. I've already put up a video on my YouTube channel which is about Honda Highness CB350, a walk around video and a detailed video of the ride. But today I am here at the Honda Big Wing Gurgaon and I have a very special bike with me and this is Honda CB350 RS. So similar to Honda CB350, CB350 RS also is powered by same engine. The engine specifications are almost the same as Highness 350. The only major difference that I see is in the cosmetics and ergonomics of the bike. So the engine is a 4-stroke SI engine BS6 348cc engine. The maximum torque it produces 30 Newton meters at 3000 RPM. Multi-plate wet clutch, 5 number of gears with a dual channel ABS and Honda torque control system. The Honda torque control system is also referred as the traction control system and you have an option of switching off and switching on. By default it is always on and you can always switch it off while the ride. However, when I had the Highness CB350 with me, I didn't find any major differences with switching it off or on. There will be two models from CB350 RS. One will be with dual tone colors, which is this bike, and other one will be a single tone color. This is the other variant of the RS model. This is solid colors. It's priced at around 196, 4,000 more than Highness CB350. 168 mm is the ground clearance for CB350 RS, which is little more than the Highness 350. And even the weight, in fact, 179 kgs curb weight, a little lesser than Highness CB350. Even I like the barbecue grill too. It's nicely, uniquely designed. A wider section of rear tire, 150 19-inch rim, and front is 110. Uniquely designed grab rails like this one. The eye-shaped LEDs, so the completely LED headlamp. Let me just show you. Yeah. Both at front and rear. This is also a LED headlamp and this nice tail tidy. So this also comes with a slip and assist clutch. The nice comfortable seat. I like the seat, but for the pillion it's quite small. The odometer is going to tell you the trip range, the trip distance to empty, if ABS is switched on or it's off. That's the traction control. In the Deluxe Pro models for Highness, you had controls here, Bluetooth controls, which aren't here on any of the models. So this is the other variant of the RS model. This is solid colors, which has one nicely made strip here, which says CB350 RS. Like the color. The seat height, however, is almost same, 800 mm. Fuel tank capacity is almost same, 15 liters. Another two more noticeable difference between the Highness CB350 and CB350 RS is that the RS comes with the shock absorber covers, whereas this wasn't featuring in the Highness CB350. And other thing is that these DRLs, unlike the Highness 350, they are not DRLs. They are just pure indicators which don't switch on with the ignition. So what I notice as I sit on the bike is that the handle, it's not leaning towards me, it's not curved at all, it's just straight handle and it looks a little more aggressive position when I'll be riding this bike. About the exhaust note, again it's quite similar. Foot pegs are again bent towards slightly on the back side. Also, just in case if you're wondering what does RS stands for, RS stands for road sailing. So the purpose for CB350 RS is that it's meant for roads, urban rides, urban riders, commuters, daily commuters are all the people who will be using this bike. The main USP is the sporty riding stance. CB series from Honda, the city bikes, it was launched first in 1959 and then the legacy was carried on. 2020, the CB Highness 350 was launched. The main focus for the CB bikes always has been for urban riders. So that's the reason I guess the CB 350s are right now selling only at the Honda Big Wing showrooms, which are again selected locations. But as I say, it's a growing network. The Honda is increasing the Big Wing showrooms all over the country now. So guys, that's all from this one. I hope you like the video and you know the drill. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel, like the video and share with someone you think it makes sense to. Until next time, signing off. ये बाइक लेनी है।